How to promote LiveGood's affiliate rewards program to earn over $12,800 in passive income per week. You don't need to sell any products. The Alliance has very good products. Members are not forced to sell or purchase products. Quality products at lower than market prices. Just like Sam's Club. Sam's has hundreds of millions in membership income every year. The difference is Sam, he will never follow you. Member commission dividends. The difference with LiveGood is that as long as you become a member, you can make money on LiveGood, even if you don't have any promotion. If you become a member of my team, members recommended by me and the recommenders above me in the future will be placed below you. Becoming part of your team's income is becoming your income. Be part of your team membership. So we are doing the market together. Build such a pipeline of benefits through the team, even if you join and don't have time to promote and develop the market. But the leaders above are optimistic about this career, will continue to grow his market just like me, thus allowing you to generate passive income in the Matrix prize. Today I will use Chat GPT to create promotion copy. As long as you can copy and paste, you can publish articles through LinkedIn. Free crazy traffic. Because LinkedIn is a self-media social platform with huge traffic. It has more than 1 billion traffic every month. It is a website that is easily overlooked. If you are interested in today's topic, remember to watch the end of the video. Would you be smart enough to miss such the best entrepreneurial opportunity? The first step is to go to the Quora website. The previous video talked about how to attract traffic through Quora. Today we only need to move Quora articles, which is very simple. Because these articles are all very well written. You can see there are over 5,000 answers here. The topic is how to make money online. Netizens on these topics are all concerned about making money. Let's open the article. Put the content of the entire article. Copy it. We just need to paste the content just now into the rewrite robot. Then continue. Next, rewrite its content. Just need to know how to copy and paste. You can reuse these texts. Let's copy the entire new article. Came to this LinkedIn social platform. Of course, you need to register an account. I won't go into details about the account registration process. When you come here, click here to publish an article. Paste what you just copied here. Its title is also copied. Paste title here. Then you need to upload a picture. I selected some income screenshots. Choose a screenshot of your earnings and upload it. I need to break this content into paragraphs. I added a sentence at the end of the article. This sentence is to attract people who read this article. Someone clicked on this ad. That is, click to get more opportunities to make money. Then select these text contents to add links. This link works. In it, I can also insert a picture of income. Such a picture. Don't worry about the material. Because of these income pictures, I can send it to you. If you become a member, you can contact me and send it to you. Then I continue to click next. You can see it here. Image publishing content. This entire article is posted to my account. Because of this article of yours can be included through Google. Only need to publish 3 to 5 articles per day. The second method. I copy this title. Come to Chat GPT. Now I just need to copy and paste. Ask Chat GPT to write a copy for you. He quickly helped me write the entire copy. Such a very efficient and readable copy. Now I just need to copy this content. Repost my article from here. Same method. Content is processed in different ways. To create these copywriting, this copy provides readability. This way you can get more search volume. Then you can pass in. This is a free material website from Pixabay. There is a lot of material here. Just search here for money-related keywords. You can find a lot of material above. Just choose a picture. Download this picture. Because these materials are free and copyright-free materials. So I just need to download some images here. I can upload it here. Add it again at the end. Click to get more advertising slogans for money-making opportunities. Someone clicked on this article. I can pass when someone clicks on this link. The video content promoted above this link explain how to make money through the LiveGood Alliance. How to join the LiveGood Alliance and other content materials. So, all these materials on this cloud disk. You don't have to worry about material issues. After filling in the article content, next step. Continue to the next step. I only have less than 5 minutes. I just published to articles. Isn't it very simple? Alliance Matrix Awards. Just one of the bonuses in this league. The Matrix Award I just talked about. In fact, it is just one of the awards of this Alliance website. You want to know more about some awards? He has 7 awards in total. You can come to my AI toolbox. Already talked about in detail. Some details about the bonus of this award alliance. How to join and become a member of the alliance. Click the join link below. You just need to fill in your personal information. Fill in the correct email address. Registered account. Is a valid account. Some important information about the alliance. Information such as withdrawals, team member joining, etc. will be sent to you via email. Just one simple thing. Just a plan to promote his alliance. You don't need to promote the product, because his product itself is a very cheap and excellent product. We can click to open. I saw his product only costs $9.90. Others are selling it for $47 and $29. Very different. And the company also guarantees 90-day returns for empty bottles. Do you dare to make such a promise if the product is of poor quality? At the bottom of the member backend, the league's bonus program can be found. He has 7 prizes in total. Very detailed and clear. Scroll to the bottom for a detailed bonus plan video. English version. You want to become a VIP member. Just pay $9.95 per month. If you pay the annual membership fee at one time, you will get a discount of $20 and only need $100. You can save $20. If it is a financial problem, you can also choose to renew monthly. But if you forget to renew, you will miss out on the bonus. Plus a one-time franchise fee of $40. This fee is for one-time sex. You don't have to pay it in the future. Sam's monthly membership. It will not bring you a penny of income, it will only bring consumption. But joining LiveGood can become your lifelong career. You can split the commission with LiveGood. This is what makes LiveGood unique. In the LiveGood background, you can see, every day thousands of people of different nationalities. Join LiveGood. Promote lists of the best leaders. This is American, Canadian, Vietnam's, wait for these countries, and Japanese ones. Brazilian. This website is growing very fast. There are many members from all over the world. Register as a member of the Alliance. Because of LiveGood Membership Alliance, it only took a year to develop. Already so popular. So the time in the future is even more incredible. Develop this global business. Some friends may be worried. After I joined LiveGood, how to develop my LiveGood business through the internet. You don't have to worry about this at all, because I will give you all the good live materials I have prepared. These materials are shared with you for free. Don't worry about the material. Don't worry about the method. I publish it regularly on YouTube every week. How to promote LiveGood Alliance through the internet. I will publish it through videos. In my channel, the members I promote will be placed behind you and become members of your alliance. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.